This year, first of all, CHC celebrate our 20 years anniversary, our big birthday, and in our booth, we happy to present you the results of development in mobile mapping technology over 20 years. If I back on time, when you can see a little bit younger version of me, in 2018, we present the first mobile mapping solution in a CHC Navigation. It was Alpha 3D. And then it was many successful projects around the globe. But we want to be better, because our users need always faster horse. And then in 2019, just after several months, we have our partner meeting in Shanghai, where we think how will be the next technology generation, what we should do next to our users. And one of the partners reminded, Andrei, what will be better? How we will be more innovative? And those time I say, look, instead of different LiDARs for the drones, for the car, for the vehicles, backpack, we will provide just one solution for all needs, for all applications. And those year, Alpha Uni series firstly came to the market. And you can see just one laser scanner can be attached on any vehicle, on various drones, on the backpack, and for small boats, like we have Apache, or on the big vessels. So for multiple purposes. And then we continue the innovation, because we want to democratize mobile mapping technology. We make products smaller, more easy to use, and more cost-effective. Then in 2021 came a new series of Alpha Uni, of Alpha Air. And what is next? As a leader in geospatial industry, we always want to improve, we always want to be better, we want to always provide more accurate technology, more longer range, more user-friendly data processing. To make this happen, first of all, we have a vision of our CEO. And he say, we are the leaders in GNSS, yes, but GNSS is not enough today to map everything on time. GNSS is a total station. LiDAR is the future. We agreed, and I hope you agreed. And for this, first of all, to make democratization of technology, we build a fully new factory in a Wuhan city. And you can see from inside how we develop our LiDARs. And we take a very serious tests for accuracy, for angular measurement, for stress test, for the temperature calibration, because we need to be sure that LiDARs will work in a hot weather of Middle East, of Dubai, Saudi Arabia, and they will work somewhere in the north, in the Canada, in the Ukraine, in Germany, or in Sweden. So finally, after such big investment, after 4,000 tests in the multiple environments, in the hard environments, we're happy to introduce today on Intergeo, and you can see it on our booth, our latest generation of laser scanner of LiDARs, fully based on a CHC technology. Finally, we have Alpha Uni 20, or IU20, shortly to say. You will see it on our booth, as I say, but in very, very small form factor, in very small design, we combine long scanning range, high accuracy, a very good vegetation penetration, what is needed for the forestry mapping. And one of our main features is multi-platform installation. So let's see one by one. For the long range, this device can scan up to 1.5 kilometers. So your drone can fly much higher, if it's allowed, can cover much bigger territory per mission, or even you can use it more efficiently if you install it on the helicopter or on the small plane. For the data accuracy, this device achieves 2 mm on 30 meter and 5 mm on 100 meter precision, or LiDAR accuracy itself. So we say absolute accuracy is the same as a total station or GNSS. So it's 1 or 2 centimeters. And we feel, compared to our previous technology, to previous generation, our accuracy improved on 30%, which is a very high achievement. For the speed, this new laser scanner generates 2 million points per second, one of the fastest machines today, what you can see in the market. And the rotation speed is 200 Hz. So 1,000 points on the square meter you can achieve even flying on the drone with very high altitude, 120 meters. For users who are interested in a forest applications to get the ground surface, this device makes 16 returns. 2 million points per second. It means 32 million calculations, ranging calculations per second. And you can see on this video how good is vegetation penetration, how good is terrain, and even you can calculate, classify the trees for forest mapping. As you know, as more returns you have, as higher probability to penetrate the trees and get your final terrain. Modern LiDAR usually have 3 to 5 returns, which is not enough for a good quality results of the terrain, especially in a very, very dense forest. On this table, you can see example how technology works previously on the left side on your screen. And on the right side, you can see that 3 to 4 times more dense point cloud we will get with the new technology over the trees. And this is our main feature why clients like CHC, why clients select CHC, multi-platform setup. You can see one device, Alpha Uni 20, you can use in various installation on many drones because it's quite lightweight, 2.8 kilogram. So it could be CHC drone, it could be very popular in Europe or in US, local UAVs. We can also install it on the various vehicle, car, train, move to the backpack, and as you saw before, on the water for the bathymetric survey on the vessels or on the compact Apache series. The idea of multi-platform setups give you ability to combine the data in one view from the top perspective, from airborne survey, and from the ground survey. If you go to the mining industry, if you go for the smart city mapping, for data capture in the city, then you have ability to see everything from one survey with just one device in one processing of one software ecosystem. Like on this example, we see dense point cloud on the facades, on the road because of the car. We see even the point cloud on the water because of the multi-beam echo sounder which we use on our boat. And we see the rooftops because we use the drones here. So you don't need to use any other technology. You can just use one laser scanner in all environments. With release of IO20, you also can see on our booth our next generation of the car platform or backpack platform. We call it Alpha Pano. It contains quite standard industrial camera, Ladybug 5 Plus, or you can install optionally Ladybug 6. And also in the middle, you will see this small scanner, which needed for the SLAM. So, you know, in the hard environments for the car mapping, on the tunnels, on the city center, under the tree canopy, you have a lot of lack of GNSS signal. Your trajectory could be not calculated properly. The accuracy will be decreased. With using of SLAM in this gap, you improve your final trajectory. So instead of using many GCPs or using the odometer, now this technology will make work more efficient. And this platform is very flexible, so you can install our latest Alpha Uni 20, or you can move to our Regal-based solution Alpha Uni 900, or to the lower cost or basic one, Alpha Uni 10. So it's very flexible installation, very light. The total weight is 10 kilogram. Even a lady who is responsible for surveying easily can put it on the car. And some example how we use this new generation from the car. It takes just several minutes to install, and then you can easily move without any cables, any special calibration to the backpack and walk, and SLAM will improve your position in hard environments. Then if you're lazy a bit and you don't like to walk, you can ride this buggy in the place maybe where UAV prohibited to fly or car cannot go. Like this is a very beautiful park in Saudi Arabia. You can install it on the drone and use it in mining environment or in the city environment to get the airborne data. Then you can move to helicopter because range 1.5 kilometer give you ability to do it. Or you can use it in water marine applications. This is an example from Bulgaria, where the Danube agency, they research the sites of the Danube River. Finally, if I talk about efficiency and integration, as I say, it's a very light and compact device. The total weight is just 2.8 kilogram, and it contains IMU, GNSS, all the components together. So if you use the drones, as lighter LiDAR it is, as longer drone can fly. And this is some example of efficiency of the mapping. If you use rotor drones, like our BB4, you can able to achieve, depending on your altitude and the density what you need, but you can able to achieve between 10, 11 square kilometers per mission. If you use tow drones or fixed-wing drones, which you can also see on our booth, you can achieve from 45 to 50 square kilometers with this LiDAR. So it's very efficient mapping tool. Also, you can install several cameras. From ortho camera, you can move to oblique camera to generate not just a point cloud, which is fully colorized in real colors, but digital ortho mosaic, a real 3D model. And everything what you will generate come in one software package. May I ask to click next? Excuse me. Can you click the next slide, please? Thank you. So to make a summary, we try to achieve a very good performance, the high-end technology in a cost-effective, compact way. And just I want to share with you another exciting news, a short video, because with release of IO20, I have some time, yes? With the release of IO20, we also release the next generation of compact airborne LiDARs, which you will see also on our booth, because we see that modern geospatial engineers, they face many issues with the photogrammetry or with the low-cost LiDAR technology. So to avoid this, the new Alpha Air 10 came to the market. And here is a short video. What is important, you can see installation on a very famous drone, DJI Matrice 300, 350, so all DJI users can easily connect to their current UAV to use this accurate technology. 500,000 points per second, 5mm accuracy on 150 meters. The range is 800 meters. Yeah, it's too much for the Europe, but in many, many cases in many countries you can fly much higher. And your corridor of mapping will be bigger and more efficient. If we speak about forestry mapping again, this device can achieve up to 8 returns. So again, the vegetation penetration, which will be much simpler and easy compared to previous generation. It's our new, fully patented from CHC tilted prism technology, combined with high precision IMU, combined with full frame 45 megapixel camera in very compact design. So the total weight of unit is 1.5 kilogram. It means with Matrice you can fly approximately half an hour. And as I say, we're not just a hardware provider. We provide for you entire ecosystem. Hardware goes always together with the field and with the office software. In just one software, you can process all results, generate a point cloud, 3D models, orthophotos, and digital terrain.